Hey guys, what's up and welcome to my channel, and today we're gonna just take a look at something that Banggood has sent me recently. If you're not familiar with this truck right here, this is the WPL C14. People were intrigued by this because for this price point, this RC kind of had some nice scale details and it looked like a great platform for modifications. So this is not what I meant to show you today, but this is where WPL started, and now we'll take a look at what I've recently got from Banggood. So recently I've gotten the latest WPL based truck from Banggood, which is based off of a Toyota FJ40. Take a look at the box, and we'll see how much they've kind of improved since the original C14 was released. Let's go ahead and take a look at the latest WPL offering. Alright, so this is the standard WPL remote, and let's take this guy out. So out of the box it comes with this battery and charger. It is a USB charger, and here's the battery. Now I will probably change this out to a LiPo battery. It also comes with decals and some scale details. Let's take a look at the truck itself. The body is very nice and detailed, and it's no surprise. This is kind of what they built their reputation on. You know, an expensive remote controlled truck with scaled body. Very nice looking. So nice grills, even it's got nice light lenses right there. Scale wheels. Tires feel nice. I mean, they're good for what they are. So you can see here where you can put the mirrors on and the handlebars. Just kind of a look at the interior. Look at the axles. So pretty standard WPL axles, looks like. I don't know if they've done anything new to them. It looks like the link system is actually improved. Looks like the links are a little bit more sturdy than the original links that came with the C14. They also don't have the hang down that the C14 had. And here's a comparison between the C14 links right there. So overall, it looks like they improved some of the suspension. Kind of comparison right here. Here's the battery compartment. So a lot of places where you can just add your scale detail touches to this truck. So really good for kind of modeling. And no, I think it could actually, you might be able to take the top off. Although I should figure out how. Because it has a hinge here and it looks like the front window can actually come down. Right there, see that hinge? So you could probably take the top off and have this flip down. Alright, so it looks like you're gonna have to remove some screws to be able to remove this top here. So you will probably have the option to run without the canopy here. Alright, I've just added some of the scale details to this WPL unit. Right here you can see the side mirrors. This antenna down here, the windshield wipers, these lights right here, and the door handles. So yeah, for an inexpensive RC, this has got some really nice scale detail. And if you go on Banggood, there's actually a lot of upgrade options and custom modifications that you can get, as well as coming up with your own. So let's go ahead and take this out for a drive. Alright, I've plugged the battery in to the battery compartment, and one thing I've noticed is that well, other than that the lights are wired up, I've also noticed that the steering drag link is improved over the original plastic WPL C14. after that test run, there are a few things that I did notice. So the tires that come with this truck do not have foams inside, and that is okay, but they should be glued on to the wheel. I did find situations where the tires would often come off the wheels, so I suggest that when you get this truck that you actually glue the tires onto the wheels, and that would take care of that problem. If you do feel like putting foams in there, I guess you could find some foam strips or cut them out to the shape that you need and just stuff the tires with foams. So that would be cool. And pretty much the only other thing I noticed is that the throttle is probably not as, I guess, accurate as I would like, but I mean, for the price of this truck, I mean, that's to be expected. This certainly is begging for a lot of customization and modifications. One of the modifications that I do plan to do to this truck is I will probably rip out the stock electronics and put in my own radio system. Now, I'm not sure what this truck can handle yet, but I'm going to see if I can try to stick something like a Hobbywing 1060 in there and use a LiPo battery. So I look forward to giving that a shot, as well as using my FlySky radio system. I don't know what else there is, but I mean, I'll go ahead and look on Banggood to see what other modifications or parts are available as far as hop-ups and upgrades. I know that they do have metal drive shafts. They also have metal links available in their shop, and I also know there are some things like an upgraded motor and better ESC. So we'll see, take a look at what's there and see how far I can go with this truck. So overall, I think at the price point of this truck, it's definitely worth it. If only just for the scale body. I mean, it's a good base to kind of start customizing and making it a little bit more capable. But I mean, as far as the body goes, it's a beautiful body. It's, you know, for this size, it's as close as you'll get to a Toyota FJ40. So I mean, I can't recommend it enough. If you are a fan of the FJ40, I'm going to put a link to this in the description below. This is a truck that I definitely look forward to modifying and upgrading. I really like the body. I mean, I think the body alone is worth it. So I look forward to, you know, doing more with it. So please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.